In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best air fryers for every kitchen 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best air fryers for every kitchen 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer AS101LG, 6QT and 2.5 QT glass containers, 1800W, 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature, microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe, bone. 6-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, crisp, and more with one versatile countertop appliance. Premium glass containers include 6-quart and 2.5-quart non-toxic glass containers with matching lids for cooking, serving, and storing. Powerful 1800W heating delivers fast, even cooking with temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 4. Number 2, Cuisinart ClearView 4-quart Air Fryer AFC4, glass basket with PFAS-free ceramic nonstick crisper plate, 5 cooking functions, 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature, 2 custom presets. 5-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and reheat with one versatile countertop appliance. Clear glass basket durable glass cooking basket lets you monitor food while cooking for precise results. PFAS-free ceramic crisper plate non-stick ceramic surface promotes healthier cooking and easy food release, up to 450 degrees. Temperature powerful heating system delivers crispy, evenly cooked meals with adjustable temperature control. 2 custom presets save your favorite cooking settings for fast, convenient one-touch operation. Easy cleanup and reliable quality designed for simple maintenance and backed by a 3-year limited warranty. The Cuisinart ClearView 4-quart Air Fryer AFC4 combines modern design with powerful performance to make everyday cooking easier. Featuring 5 versatile cooking functions, this compact air fryer lets you air fry, roast, bake, broil, and reheat your favorite foods with temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for crispy, delicious results. Its transparent glass basket allows you to monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process, while the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick crisper plate helps ensure healthier cooking and effortless cleanup. With a spacious 4-quart capacity, adjustable temperature control, and 2 customizable preset programs, the ClearView air fryer is perfect for preparing quick family meals, snacks, and side dishes. Built with convenience, durability, and performance in mind, this stylish countertop appliance delivers reliable results while fitting seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, it's a dependable choice for everyday cooking. Number 3, Gourmia 14QT Air Fryer Oven, all-in-one rotisserie oven with digital display, 12 cooking presets, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, dishwasher safe accessories. Stainless steel. 14-quart large capacity spacious interior is ideal for family meals, whole chickens, snacks, and batch cooking. 12 one-touch cooking presets easily air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and more with preset programs. Built-in rotisserie function: prepare evenly roasted chicken, meat, and other favorites. With rotisserie cooking, digital touch display user-friendly controls make selecting cooking modes, time, and temperature quick and simple. Dishwasher safe accessories included cooking accessories are easy to clean for hassle-free maintenance. Modern stainless steel design. Durable stainless steel construction adds style and reliability to any kitchen. Number 4, Chef IQ MiniOven Smart Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, 11-in-1 countertop convection oven, 25 QT capacity, 1750W, touchscreen controls, bake, air fry, broil, dehydrate, black. 11-in-1 smart cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and more in one versatile appliance. Large 25-quart capacity spacious interior accommodates family meals, pizzas, toast, casseroles, and more. Powerful 1750W convection heating delivers fast, even cooking with crispy, delicious results. Intuitive touchscreen controls. Easy-to-use digital interface simplifies selecting cooking modes, time, and temperature. Countertop space saver combined. Number 5 Ninja Crispi 5-in-1 Glass Air Fryer FN103BF, non-toxic 2.5 QT, 4 QT and 6 cup glass containers with lids. 450 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature, microwave, freezer and dishwasher safe. Green 0.5-in-1 cooking functions air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and crisp with 1 versatile countertop appliance. 0.3 non-toxic glass containers includes 2.5 quart, 4 quart, and 6 cup glass containers with matching lids for cooking, serving, and storage. Powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit cooking high temperature performance delivers crispy, evenly cooked meals with less oil. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe durable glass containers transition seamlessly from cooking to storage and cleanup. Healthy everyday cooking prepare fry.